Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning your hands thoroughly for 20 seconds or using a 60% plus alcohol sanitizer. This prevents contamination as you handle the mask. Next, inspect the mask for rips, dirt, or loose straps so it seals properly. Hold the mask by the straps or ties, making sure the colored side faces out and the nose clip is at the top. Once positioned, place loops over ears or secure ties at the crown and nape, making the initial. Once done, cup the mask over your nose and mouth and pull it down to cover your chin. This ensures full coverage. Then press or mold the nose clip to the bridge for a close seal, reducing fogging and leakage. Make sure there are no side gaps by feeling for air when you inhale and exhale. If you detect leaks, reposition the straps or red-iron ties. If using ear loops, twist or knot them to improve tension. For ties, double knot for a secure fit. To finish, avoid touching the mask front. Remove it by the straps or ties and discard single-use masks into a bin or place reusable ones in a sealed bag for washing. Make sure to wash hands immediately after removal to avoid transfer. If the mask becomes damp or soiled, replace it promptly because moisture reduces filtering. For persistent fit problems, switch to a different size or model and reassess the nose clip and strap tension. Troubleshooting tip: if you still see gaps, try a mask brace or double mask for better sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.